I will show how to use application for transforming XML data files into different data files. Uh, so, for example, I have a XML that represents states data, right? And I will be using this as example on how I can transform this XML. So, for example, I have a table, data, row. I want to get rid of this, and I want to remove a country because this is just one country, right? It's U.S. states from Alabama to Wyoming, and so I want to use, in other words, I want to use the data from this XML, but transform it into completely new XML. And I will be doing this with application I will install on my computer from this website. I will leave link on site into description. To find app, I click on search and type XML to XML, right? I need this XML to XML file. Click on download and wait until archive will be downloaded to my computer. I'll be recording more videos on even more applications, how to transform XML and JSON into different formats, into CSV and HTML and stuff like this with using templates. Templates, this is what it's like. For me, it's the shortest way to describe how I want to transform XML. Obviously, there is a XSL language, transformation language. It's much more complex and it's much harder to use. So I wanted to transform XML easily, more descriptive way, not like through XSLT schemas. And this is what I will do with this application. I click, you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on download that archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see a publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final step. And if I close everything, you can see I have a new application on my desktop. I'll double click on it. And now conversion or XML transformation is 3 steps, right? First, let's select one or many XML will be used for data transformation. So this is my, I think it's, if I sort by date modified, I will state as country. This is my XML. Click on next step. Here I have templates. So after I selected XML file, I click on step 2 and here is my conversion options. Header is what is the root will be. For example, I don't want it to be D, I want it to be states. But I also have to modify and closing tag as a states as well. Here I can specify what is body. Body is per record, and whatever is here will be replaced with row code. For example, I don't need data name, right? But I need a row code. I want to have a like state code, state name, region, sub-region, right? Country. And maybe it will be state, right? And here is state as well. And maybe I want code to be as a parameter, not as a function. For example, I can do that. Let's move it to parameter. Because code is kind of like unique. Let's keep it here. Name, region, sub-region, country, and I don't want to have a country. And that will, it's easy to describe like on per record level what will be a result of XML based on this data that I got. It's simple, and this is, if I have to transform change XML, this is what I'm doing. And yeah, basically that's it. I can click on next step. Here I can preview and I can see if everything that I got matches what I need. So states, state, code, okay, region, subregion, everything is good. All states from Alabama to Wyoming. And to save results, I'll click on save button. It's asking me for name and location of new file. Let's name it states let's call it USA states, right? And file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So if I open it in its notepad, you can see I have a very nice, it's what I basically did. So this application allow me to transform data from one XML into completely new XML with different properties and different values and all different stuff. And also I can open it with Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. And in row name, okay, what's the problem? Where is row name? Oh, I forgot to change closing statement. This is why. Okay, let's go back. This is, yeah. So, yeah, that's important thing. After changing this, I have to change this as well. So, yeah, it's important to validate. Unfortunately, this application is not validating. It's not validating XML. So, I will probably add this functionality in further versions to validate XML after it's running and say, hey, this is XML you created, is not valid. Because yeah, all opening and closing text must be the same. So let's save it into USA states again. Yep. Overwrite. This should reload. Now it's looking good. Now let's open it into with Edge, and now it's nicely done. So we have a row, we have a state. Wait, but this is not what we. Let's refresh it again. This one. Yeah, so we have states, we have a state inside, we have code, name, region, subregion, everything in here beautifully. And also there is a XML viewer. I'm using this application to show what is to see data before even transformation. I can see data into XML file and store data into different format. It's a free app. I will leave link on this app too. Yeah, basically that's it. We successfully, from second attempt, but we transformed XML in new XML with structure we needed. And yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.